20 minutes later.
Hi, come on in. This is what it looks like. Morning of Masterclass. Well, let me show you around the hotel room. This is the Gwen, Chicago downtown. Gorgeous, gorgeous property. Anytime you guys are in town, you should check it out. I don't know about you guys, but every time I come into hotel room, bathroom first. So this is really interesting. Look how big this space is. It's like we needed like a dresser here or something. Things I always check out. The accoutrements, body lotion, little scope, which I've already used. Bedroom here, the living area. Here's a little beverage station. And they're so nice. They send me a little cheese and fruit platter and a little note. Thank you, Jackie. Make sure we tag her. You know, I'm a coffee fiend, so I always look for what is the caffeine products available. And then this one has a nice little terrace out here. Nice little terrace out here. Yeah, pretty nice. Sound check is in half an hour. This is day one of Masterclass. My plan is to get down there 7:30, be done setting up by 8. All of the docs that are coming this weekend are going to be enjoying breakfast from 8 to 9, and we start off at 9. So, but they always have some last. Oh, it's pretty low. I got you. So what I'm working on right now is the presentation. And we may need to blur out some of the thing because some of this is top secret. There's a section where we like to shout out some of our docs. And so we already picked them to shout out. I just have to find pictures for them. So this is my process on finding pictures. So the first one is Dr. Chris Cameron in Canada. Shout out to Dr. Chris. And I try to find a unique picture that is a little bit, different. And problem here is Chris only has 2 pictures on his Facebook account. We're going to need to work on that, Chris. Paste it in there and then just have to move it around. And if they shoot it like this, they get it nice and blown up. Oh, I like that. My producer, Corey, says this is the one that we should use. So we will use that one. And day one presentation is done. And I'm just going through the slides, make sure everything is good. All right, good. All right, so quit that. I will always handle the technology on my own to a degree. And it's not so much a control thing, but I just feel like just showing up and someone handing me a clicker and say go is just a little, I don't know, it just never resonated with me. I was always been the tech guy. Back in the day, I was the AV nerd. And laptop charger. Ask me how many times I forget this. Ask me how many times I've been on location and I had to go buy a laptop charger on site and have the entire hotel staff scramble to get one. Shout out to Kelly O'Toole, because she's usually the one that has to deal with my forgetfulness. So what time is it? So it's 7:10. I should be heading down there about 15 minutes. And now is probably the toughest part of the day is figuring out what to wear. So I'll go here and here. What do you guys think? Does this match? That was easy. My contact lens situation is a bit funky because I have like 6 different scripts for different situations. So if I'm golfing or I'm spectating like a sporting event, I'll use my high-powered contact. For today though, I'm not gonna really need high-powered contacts. So I'm gonna go with my typical work situation. My script is 5.0 on the right and 5.25 on the left. Yeah, I'm pretty blind. I always wonder how other people do this, but this is how I do it. So these are disposable. So comes off here, and then I take the whole thing with the solution. Ooh, I forgot to wash my hands. Always wash your hands. The solution. And you dump the whole thing in. Right? You make a little pool. One of the things I hate about contacts is, I don't know for you guys, but sometimes when the contact comes out, does it come out of the package inverted? I that. Because when you put it in, you're like, damn it. And it feels like a poker in your eye, right? You have to look at it like this to make sure it's not inverted. This one's good. Oh, gosh. The contemplation on these mornings is whether they get dressed and go to setup or set up and then come back and get dressed. The problem is that if I go down for setup and setup is and sound check is not working and we got problems, then I'm there longer than I need to be, and then I'll be rushed getting dressed. So I'm always like, what do I do here? So, but I have faith today that AV will be perfect. 7:20, sound check is 7:30. Should we go? Sure, let's go. Oh, wait, I forgot my room key. I want to show you something. 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's no 13th floor here. Creepy. Finding the room for the first time is always an adventure. This is gonna be our breakfast. Nothing in there now. Nice setup. Hello, good morning. Dark up here. Maybe we'll open those blinds over there.
If we open those curtains up, it's gonna interfere with the lighting.
Okay. Yo, I got you. All right. So this is gone, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll put that over here then. And that table, there's no one sitting there, correct?
Sitting there.
Okay. And our count is good from that part back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
What's that?
Your dongle.
Oh yeah, it's, because you need an adapter for everything. Okay, I'm in. I may have to start up. Sometimes it doesn't do it.
You may also have to plug in power.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yes.
Oh wait, this might work.
Sometimes I ran into trouble.
Yeah, it's still starting up though.
Okay. Oh.
Let's try this first, and then we'll do that if we need to.
Yeah, because I ran into trouble where it stopped working.
they break. Sean, you check the mics? Yeah, it's not detecting a signal. And we're zoomed out as much as we can on the thing. What do you think about the setup here? So just so we can get rid of that table and this table.
This is in the way of people sitting here.
Yeah, I see completely now.
Check. Sorry, man. I used to produce concerts. Like when I see like that, I'm like, yeah, like that does not look great. High stress. Most stressful part about this.
Dr. Rosenhart, I look forward to serving you breakfast every morning in your room. I was like, oh, okay. And I'm like,
How much was it?
$62.
Breakfast just for you? It's room service?
Coffee and an omelet. I was like, So I walked yesterday to Whole Foods. It was great. Hard-boiled eggs.
Well, Whole Foods is right over there, right?
I know. It was great.
He's a loser. You're a loser. It's probably some like childhood trauma with tuna. It has to be. Corey just asked me if he can have breakfast. I said no. We don't play around here. You're working or you're eating. Right, Corey?
Right.
If you like what you're seeing, like, comment, subscribe, and share for more. What a great idea.